guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Yet's in the building. The one, the only, fierce, foxy, fabulous, live and direct in her sitting room. Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna do a really quick tutorial of just a day look. Very quick. Not talking, just doing the makeup because I gotta go, as y'all know, as you know, doing things. But yeah, so it's just basically a few people have been asking me just to do a really quick day look. Nothing too fancy, no eye makeup, just big flutter lashes, big bold lip, the red. As you guys know it, I like the red lipstick. So this lipstick is from Colored Rain. I will list all the products I use in the description. Jesus is Lord. Description box down there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you holler at your girl, my name is Mama Yet's in the building. So yeah, if there's anything else, yeah, just to say thank you so much for guys for supporting your sister. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I do appreciate the love. So take care, peace, love, and soul sister power. Here comes my hey sister, go sister, soul sister. Ah, hey.